any of you out there who are married know that sometimes you have to prove a point. And my wife challenged me to make a knife block because ours is just crap and we have too many knives and they don't all fit in it anymore. So I had to prove to her that I'm not just a one-trick pony. Sit tight. Would have been cheaper for me just to buy one because I don't know what kind of crap wood they're normally made out of, but I made this one out of oak, so it was about twice the price of one I could have purchased at Bed Bath & Beyond. But sometimes you got to prove a point.